Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is just a quick fix my stringy ugly hair video. So I've been straightening my hair because it's the winter time and it's just too much to keep washing it every day and being freezing cold. So I'm just going to show y'all how to take this blunt straight stringy hair and make it look a little bit more together and cute. Okay, so if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, and come along and watch me go from this stringy hair to some more bountiful, bodyful, cute hair. Okay, we're gonna be using a few things. We got some edge wax because look, my hair is so curly that no matter how straight it is, after a few days the curls want to pop back out. So we're gonna tame that. We have our Layla Ali flat irons, and I'm gonna give it a curl with clip, brush, comb, all that good jazz. So let's go. Okay, so first I'm just gonna decide where I want my part at. Most of the time I put my part on the side just so I can cover up my big forehead. Big, right? So I'm probably gonna put it on that side. And should I? Sorry if I'm looking over there. My mirror's over there, so let me turn it over a bit. First, I'm gonna take a little bit of this and fix the sides because my hair does not like to be straight. It's like, no, free me. The only thing about this edge wax is it's kind of white in my hair, but after it dries, it's not. So that's the thing I like about it. Whereas the other ones usually flake up and look gross. This one doesn't do that. We'll put a little bit right there. See how it's white right there, but that'll go away. And I just go around the perimeter of my hair and brush it in. Oh, you know what else would have been cute? A slick back ponytail. Maybe we'll do that for Christmas. I was just trying to put some eyelashes on. Am I the only girl in the world that don't know how to put eyelashes on? I really don't know how to put eyelashes on. Okay. Well, this would have been cute. Hold on. We might be changing our mind, ladies. Well, that's cute. What y'all think? I could have just did a ponytail. But whatever. Let's just put some curls up in here. And even after I do the curls, sometimes I do it in a ponytail because it's just so much hair. It just, it gets on my nerves sometimes. I had bought some flexi rods. And sometimes after I curl my hair, I roll up the flexi rod and just go to sleep, and then the curl maintains. And of course, they're missing because my daughter is 17 and she takes everything. Can't see, y'all know I'm blind. So I'm gonna get a wand curler too because wand curls are super cute on long hair. And whenever I use a wand curler, it makes my hair like have that weave effect, like it looks like I got fake hair. Well, not fake hair because the weaves are human hair. I should have did the ponytail, y'all. I want to cut my hair so bad, but I know that once I do it, I'm not gonna like it. So that's why I don't do it. But y'all, I just want a new look. I want to lose this weight, lose this hair. Like, I want all this extra off of me. You know how we big, I don't know if it's everybody, but we cover up behind things like our hair, makeup, jewelry, stuff like that. I want to be like smaller with smaller hair. Smaller everything. Like, just take this hair and throw it all in the garbage. I don't think I've ever done a video for y'all with my naturally curly hair. I think so far it's always been like even a regular nappy ponytail or straight, which is pretty good because my hair is usually curly, but it's just so cold. I can't be washing and wetting my hair and then going outside to work and freezing, and it takes like 2 days for it to dry. It's just a mess. So what y'all think? Should I cut my hair? Should I cut it or should I color it? What should I do, y'all? What kind of new look should I do? Give me some advice in the comments below. Should I cut this crap? Or should I get some highlights? Or what should I do? Give me some advice. I kind of wanted to, one time my daughter was like, you should make your hair like platinum. And I was like, my skin is too light to have platinum hair. Me walk around looking like a goddamn ghost. She's like, no. Plus, I feel like I'm too old to be having platinum hair. I could do like an auburn. And I really, really love my hair when it's like black. Because black just make your hair look so healthy. But that's not a big change. I want like a drastic change. I should get some pink or purple hair. Walk around here looking like a fool. So y'all see, it don't take much to make it look better. How that look? How that look, y'all? That look better? This side is not cooperating, so let's... Oh, you know what I made there? Do a braid over here. Like a twist or something. Let's see. The only fun thing about long hair is you can do a lot of different things with it. But I say that, but I don't do nothing with it, y'all. Like, ever. I think I'm gonna just go like that. I'm trying to be quiet because the baby's asleep. So y'all, I got my appointment coming up for my upper endoscopy. So I'm going to be taking you along on that one. I know this video was a little whack, but at least I look better, right? Let me see. Do I look better? Do I look better? See my curls? See, it's not flat no more. When it's flat, it's just so, ugh. So y'all, my upper endoscopy appointment is a day after Christmas. It's at 9 a.m. but they want me to be there at like 7. So I'm gonna take y'all along, but I probably can't record much because Hopkins don't let you really record things ever since the Dr. Levy little scandal and everything. But I will, that twist is kind of cute. But I will take y'all along, and then when I am in recovery, I'll tell you how everything went. I'm nervous. Did anybody else have an upper endoscopy for their VSG surgery? Because I haven't heard anybody else talk about that. It's a pH test. Hold on real quick. I think this is the paper. Oh no, that's not it. I thought that was a paper about my appointment. This curl is cute over here, y'all. But you know what? I think I'm about to put in a ponytail. But yeah, can y'all comment and tell me if you had the VSG, not VSG, the upper respiratory, what is it called? Endoscopy with Bravo. Let me know. If you had the endoscopy with Bravo, let me know. Tell me how it went, what to expect, because your girl is nervous, okay? So give me some advice so I can be prepared. Okay? And I'll see you in a few days when we go, because I'm going to take you along with me. I'm nervous. But at least this appointment is going to happen. I'm not canceling it. I'm going to go. I'm going to go there with it. And whatever. We'll see. Okay. This video was stupid, but thank you for watching. If you're new to my channel, subscribe, like, and comment. And I will see you at my procedure. Bye.